Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.4% against the yen. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 2.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 10.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Production forecasts imply that North America may have another 2 to 2.5 million barrels of oil per day to offer the global refining market over the next 24 months, despite headwinds that producers face. Safe haven demand strengthened the dollar to levels last seen in 2002, while the euro slumped to two-decade lows as the latest surge in European gas prices fueled recession concerns. EU institutions announced an agreement on two landmark pieces of regulation: the Market in Crypto Asset Act, regulating most providers of cryptocurrency services, and an anti-money laundering package, imposing robust checks on cryptocurrency transfers.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US ISM Services Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0930 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.